The health of our eyes is commonly overlooked, even though we rely on our eyes to experience life to the fullest. Although if we ignore our eye health, it could lead to eyes worsening as we age. But you clicked on this video to make sure your eyes are healthy, so you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go through 16 foods that improve eye health naturally. Plus, we'll explain how each food helps our eyes. 1. Carrots. We are told to eat brightly colored fruits and vegetables, because the bright color tends to signify a higher nutrition. This is particularly true for carrots, which are known for beta-carotene. Beta-carotene helps create vitamin A, which can help your eyes adjust to the dark. But vitamin A is far more powerful than many realize. It can help prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is the leading cause of blindness, so vitamin A is crucial for eye health. However, it's best to get vitamin A naturally from the foods we eat. Also, carrots contain lutein, which protects the eyes from sun damage, reduces inflammation, and fights free radical damage. Lutein is an antioxidant you will find in many supplements that strengthen eye health. At the same time, if you believe you're deficient in a vitamin, getting checked for vitamin deficiencies from your doctor or through a vitamin deficiency test online can let you know whether you need more of a certain vitamin in your diet. 2. Spinach. You might remember the cartoon character Popeye the Sailor eating spinach for strength. Well, spinach is also great for eyes. Spinach contains lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and vitamin E, all of which are great for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter blue light, which is the light from screens. If you look at screens often, like many do these days, these two antioxidants can help protect the eyes from blue light. According to UC Davis Health, blue light can damage retinal cells and contribute to macular degeneration. Blue light can also lead to cataracts, eye cancer, and overall eye strain. This type of wavelength of light can come from phones, computers, tablets, and other devices, but research is still ongoing. Regardless, looking at screens can create eye strain. So, whether blue light is harmful or not, constantly staring at a screen without breaks isn't a great idea. To protect your eyes from common eye diseases, a handful of spinach can do the trick. There are many ways to eat spinach. It can be cooked before adding it to eggs or consumed raw in a salad. 3. Salmon. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fats are important to the health of the retina. Studies suggest that regularly consuming omega-3s may reduce the risk of dry eyes, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. But if you do eat salmon, try to eat the wild-caught kind. These will have more omega-3 fats in them compared to farm-raised fish. It's easy to cook salmon on the grill or in a pan or stove. Seasoning salmon with lemon, salt, and pepper can be a simple and healthy meal for your eyes and overall health. 4. Eggs. Eggs are such a healthy food that they contain lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin E, and zinc, which are all great for eye health. The nutrients in eggs also help protect your eyes from macular degeneration. The zinc inside eggs protects the retina, the surface of the eye. Zinc also helps vitamin A produce melanin, which is a pigment that protects the eye from UV damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin also accumulate in the macula, where they act as natural filters against harmful ultraviolet UV rays. 5. Durian. Have you heard of this rare fruit? It comes from a tree that can grow as much as 160 feet tall, which makes it a chore to find the fruit in the first place. Durian is known for its strong smell that some find gross. But this fruit is more nutritious than many fruits. 1 cup of the fruit's pulp contains 80% of the vitamin C you need in a day. It also contains about 1/3 of the daily vitamin requirements for manganese, vitamin B6, potassium, and riboflavin. But the main eye vitamin in the fruit is thiamine, which has 67% of the daily value. Thiamine lowers the risk of developing cataracts. If you don't know, cataracts is the cloudy area you might see after the age of 40, when protein in the lens breaks down and clumps together, forming clouds. More than 50% of Americans get cataracts after they reach 80 years of age. Tobacco smoke, air pollution, alcohol, and sun damage to the eyes can all contribute to getting cataracts. There is surgery that can repair cataracts. But if you don't want to worry about it, it may be best to eat foods good for the eyes and to avoid unhealthy environmental factors that can worsen eyes. 6. Blueberries. Berries, especially blueberries, are high in anthocyanins. They contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that benefit eye health. These anthocyanins help improve blood flow to the eyes and reduce oxidative stress. If you aren't aware, oxidative stress means there are unstable molecules. If antioxidants aren't high enough, unstable molecules can wreak havoc on the body, such as through cell damage and disease. Regularly eating blueberries has been linked to a lower risk of cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. Vitamin C is commonly used to treat age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is an eye disease that leads to blurred vision. Many people with age-related macular degeneration have drusen, which are tiny deposits under the retina of the eye. The retina is a layer in the back of the eye that converts light to electrical signals. Dry AMD usually involves excess drusen, which can lead to the macula thinning and not working well. Advanced dry AMD begins when cells in the macula break down or when wet AMD begins to form. Intermediate AMD is when there's a blurred spot in the central vision. Finally, wet AMD means the blurred spot in the central vision widens, which can block your vision. This makes it especially important to protect our eyes. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, we can protect our eyes from wet AMD by the following vitamins: vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, and copper. 7. Sweet potatoes. If you see a bright orange vegetable, that means it's high in beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A. And by now we know that vitamin A is crucial for eye health. Vitamin A also helps treat dry eyes, so it's not only good for preventing glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration. It's a useful vegetable for our health. Have you heard of night blindness? This means that a person has difficulty seeing in the dark. It could mean there's a vitamin A deficiency. If you experience night blindness, it's always good to get tested for vitamin deficiencies. It's especially important if you find yourself unable to see while driving at night. That could lead to an accident. Also, sweet potatoes contain vitamin C, another antioxidant that supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Are you seeing a repeated link to our eyes? It's antioxidants. They are not only great for your eyes but also for overall health. 8. Almonds. Almonds, like many nuts, are a great source of vitamin E, which is another antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E may play a crucial role in preventing age-related eye disorders by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Adding almonds onto a meal or eating them as a snack can be a sure way to improve your eyes. But when eating nuts, eating them raw instead of roasted is better. When someone heats up nuts through roasting, that reduces the nutrient content and damages the healthy fat within nuts. Roasting nuts could also lead to acrylamide, which can damage the nervous system and reproductive system according to the CDC. So eating raw almonds is preferred. 9. Kale. Kale is considered a superfood due to its nutrient density. The green vegetable contains almost every vitamin. Kale contains vitamins A, K, C, and also lutein and zeaxanthin. These all support eye health by improving the retina and reducing oxidative stress. Adding kale to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries is a delicious way to fortify your eyesight. 10. Oranges. When you think of oranges and other citrus fruits, you probably think of vitamin C. And it's true, a small orange contains 85% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C helps protect the eyes from sun damage. It also fights oxidative damage. Oranges, like other citrus fruits, are great to counteract eye diseases as we age. And a single orange is a great way to protect the eyes. Vitamin C also supports the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the cornea and sclera. In conclusion, oranges in your diet can help reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. 11. Bell peppers. Another great source of vitamin C is the pepper, especially yellow peppers. One large yellow pepper contains about 340 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 380% of the daily value. That's a lot of vitamin C. If you do feel you need to add more vitamin C in your diet, yellow bell peppers are a great choice. It's a versatile vegetable, so it can be added to meals easily. Brightly colored vegetables tend to have more vitamins in them, and this holds true for yellow bell peppers. They also contain beta-carotene and lutein, which, as we know by now, are great for protecting the eyes from age-related eye disorders. These antioxidants work together to protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by the sun and environmental pollutants. Whether raw or roasted, bell peppers are a tasty addition to any meal. 12. Broccoli. Yet another source of vitamin C, broccoli, is a common food that optometrists recommend for eye health. The more important nutrients in broccoli, lutein and zeaxanthin, also help prevent eye degradation. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the macula, and they can reduce the risk of AMD. Adding broccoli can be a simple way to improve your eyes and overall health. Thin avocados. Green foods tend to be good for us, and that certainly remains true for avocado. Avocados are high in lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin E, and monounsaturated fats. These nutrients work together to protect the eyes from oxidative damage, support the health of the retina, and maintain proper tear production. It's also easy to add avocados to your diet. Some people eat them raw or add them to a salad, toast, sandwich, or smoothie. Adding salt to avocados can improve their taste. 14. Turkey. One solution to dry eyes is turkey. This is due to B vitamins in the meat. Vitamin B6, B9, and B12 are the B vitamins that are shown to lower inflammation and help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Meat like turkey is also high in zinc, which can create vitamin A and melanin protects the eyes from sun damage. A study in 2001 showed that zinc is effective for preventing age-related macular degeneration. Lean meats like turkey are excellent sources of zinc. According to Oregon State University, about 12% of the U.S. may be at risk of low zinc. So it's important to see whether you eat enough of the vitamin through diet or supplements. 15. Walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are a popular option for their omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Eating a handful of walnuts is a great choice for supporting eye health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to the eyes, and protect against age-related eye diseases. Snacking on walnuts or adding them to salads and other foods can improve your eye health. 16. Tomatoes. The last food on our list is tomato, which is high in lycopene. This is an antioxidant that benefits eye health. Lycopene helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of cataracts and AMD. Whether fresh or cooked, adding tomatoes into your diet can provide a nice boost to your vision. However, some people might find tomatoes hard to digest. Tomatoes are known as nightshades, so some find eating tomatoes can lead to digestion issues. So if you can't process them, then there are many other foods on our list that are good for eye health. That completes our list. It goes without saying that there are many things you can do to protect your eyes. We'll go through the major points. The sun can damage the retina, so wearing sunglasses is important. Look for sunglasses with UV 400. These are strong enough to block 99 to 100% of UV rays from reaching your eyes. Also, limiting screen time can protect the eyes from common eye strain. One way to do this is a recommendation from eye doctors. They say that every 20 minutes look away from the screen for 20 seconds. Adding these short breaks from constantly staring at the screen can prevent eye strain. Another way to prevent strain is to take a 5-minute break away from the screen after 25 minutes. Frequent eye checkups, such as every year or two or whatever the frequency your doctor recommends, is another way to make sure your eyes are in the best condition. Thankfully, foods can help naturally protect our eyes from sun damage, oxidative stress, and eye diseases. There are many foods that are great for eye health, so picking the best ones is a surefire way to ensure your eyes are the best they can be. By making good food choices, you can make sure your eyes can enjoy the beauty of the world around you for years to come. Thanks for watching.